In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Rosemary font. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Display. Then scroll down again to tap on Font Size and Style. Go into Font Style and click on Download Fonts. Now select Rosemary 1. Hit Install at the bottom and go back to your font style list. Click on Rosemary 1 to apply it and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!